Chapel Road. हाँ पता है.
Picture.
Nah. It's like shooting.
You wanna have some?
No, I'll wait for mine. Chal, dude. See ya.
Take care.
Yeah.
Next week?
See you soon. Yeah. So my friend Vishesh came over with a bunch of goodies. He got me these socks to wear with my React elements. Got a couple of boxes from the team at Reebok Classic India. Gonna unbox these now. I'm thinking by the looks of this box, it's the CL leather. Oh shit, right there. Pump Supreme? Oh shit, they got the size wrong. I wear a UK 8. Damn it! Oh man. I hope this one now is my size, because I'll be heartbroken if it isn't. Wait. What is this? Jesus. Is it what I think it is? Man. I'm not gonna look at the product description. I'm just gonna flip this open and woo! It is the freaking Predator shoe. Oh man. God damn. Whew. This is like the DMX 10. Man. You know, the shoe came out during the Predator movie and I had my eye out on it, and the kind folks at Reebok Classic sent me a pair. How sweet. Let's get into the details really quickly. And to begin with, let's take a quick look at the box. It's got this nice jungle theme, but in like a heat vision kind of a view, because that's what the Predator uses to see, right? And had I tilted this box this way, I'd probably have known it's the Predator shoe. Man, what's that? Reebok Predator, 20th Century Fox, and of course the Reebok logo, but in a heat vision seeking kind of logo. Man, there you go. DMX Run 10, white, green, scarlet and yellow, UK 8, just my size. Reebok Classic branding there in the glossy metallic finish like the Predator branding. Oh yeah, where's that bit now? That's again the silhouette of the sneaker, like how the Predator would see in heat vision. Nicely done, nicely freaking done. Love it. And I guess this is like a weaponry system, like the blueprint for the Predator's language keyboard and whatever systems that he uses in his spaceship. And now for the shoe itself, let's get it out. So this sneaker is called the DMX 10 because it's got a system, a cushioning system that has pods built into it. So you have 5 pods, if you can see it right there, on the heel, and 5 pods on the forefoot. They provide you with superior cushioning. Now this exaggerated midfoot though, I mean obviously your midfoot doesn't go all the way there, it's still somewhere here, right here where the sole ends, but the exaggerated midfoot is freaking crazy. Oh man. You have the Reebok Vector logo. I don't know if you can see, it's in a clear print though. Nice icy metallic sole and this jungle themed upper. Now this sneaker is from like the late 90s, I guess, like 95 to 98, somewhere in between. I think 1997. So it was ahead of its time. That's supposed to give you with some bit of ventilation for your feet. And you know, it's like a one-piece upper. You see how these rope laces run through all of these loops all the way, and the tongue is like that. Look at that yellow pop. So it's like a one-piece upper. You have this elasticated band here that keeps the tongue in place. So it's nice. And the cushioning is friggin' thick. Ooh, man. Look at that insole with all those skulls. God damn. Damn cool. Any other detailing I'm missing out on? Oh, shit. The Predator language keyboard right there on the inside of the tongue. I don't know if it's supposed to say something or it's just random designs, but that's what it is. And the finish on this is like one of those holographic things. You know, if I twist it, I'm pretty sure it won't show on the video, but the jungle scenario kind of changes a little bit. Obviously with the lens and the light, it's not very evident, but or should I move the camera angle? No, I can't get it. Nice detailed row places. You have the Reebok logo right there in that pop of yellow. Your medial side, your lateral side. Let's check out the other one. Nice detailing on this other pair right here. It's got like the code, talks about the contact details with the alien predator that is, and this hang tag. This friggin' hang tag just takes the cake. It's a human skull and spine, like how the predator pulls it out of its victims. It's got a bit of flex too, like your spine should flex. Oh man, this is some good insane detailing. Is it the same insole? No, it's a different insole. The tongue has a predator language there again, and the insole, nice. The Reebok vector, the predator's target, weaponry view system, I don't know what you call those things, and of course predator written in their typical font as in the movies. You know, growing up, Predator was like one of my most favorite movies. I think I watched the Arnold Schwarzenegger one at least 15 times. In fact, as a matter of fact, this is like a crazy coincidence. I watched it on my return flight from Hong Kong to Bombay. I watched it online and I was like, I can never tire of the movie because I think it was so well executed. And as soon as I came back to India, I watched the latest Predator movie as well. So I don't know if this is like a, what do you call that? A foresight? Not a foresight. It's what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. But it's weird how I watched the movie on the plane. I got to India and I watched the latest Predator movie. The next thing I know, Reebok has sent me the Predator sneakers. Alright, I'm not going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like really quickly. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon right there. And if you like the Predator movie, brings back memories, old one or the new one, I don't care, give this video a thumbs up. And until the next time, you guys, peace.
Generally. I've got a lot of stuff coming in.
Oh shit, wow, look at that. Wow, high definition. Yeah, really good. Look at that. Oh man, it's brighter than my eyes can see.
I know, right?
Amazing.
See you guys.
Bye bye bye.
See you, man.
Bye, bro.
Get it.
I might
Paka, where did you disappear? Inchina mare.
Got him coming, right over dispatch. Got my box, he met his match. I got all these bitches want to be Barbie dolls. Barbie dream, pink and purple marble.
Am I in the vlog again?
Yeah, man.
1 p.m. Still on the grind.
1 a.m. dude.
Oh shit, 1
You need sleep.
Shit, 1 a.m. Yeah.
Nah. No guarantees. Chal, dude. See you, man.